Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about numerical based on volume measurement example 2. Let us move on to example number 2, in which the areas enclosed by the contour is given for the lake in the following table. So contours are 270, 275, 280 and areas are given. Over here given is we have to find out the areas for A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 are given. And here the common distance D will be equal to what? 5 meter. Okay. Now let us use trapezoidal rule and prismoidal rule. So we have to calculate the volume of water between this area by using trapezoidal and prismoidal formula. Okay. So let us calculate by using trapezoidal formula first. So to find it by using trapezoidal formula, so volume is equal to formula is what? D by 2 into bracket first area plus last area matlab A5 plus 2 into summation of all remaining areas, that is A2 plus A3 and A4. So just we have to use D is what? D is 5, so 5 by 2 into areas as we are given, that is A1, A2 we have calculated already. Likewise we just have to put up the figures and then we have to calculate the area. The answer is, this is our which method? Trapezoidal rule. Now we have to use prismoidal rule. In prismoidal rule, the formula to calculate volume is what? Common distance by 3 into bracket A1 plus last area, that is A5 plus 4 into summation of remaining even areas, that is A2 and A4 plus 2 into summation of odd area, that is A3 only. So over here we have to put the values which are given in example. Now A2 is 8400 and A4 is plus 2 into A3. A3 is 16300. So by simply using calculator we can find out area is equal to, that is nothing but 330250 meter cube. So in this video we have discussed about how to calculate volume by using trapezoidal rule and prismoidal rule. Thank you.